Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be doing a deep condition, okay, for my daughter's hair, for any hair type anyway, because I also use it on my hair as well. So this is my measuring spoon. I'm going to be using flaxseed and chia seed. Okay, I'm going to be boiling them together. Then for the measurement of the flaxseed is this particular spoon. I use 1/2. Okay, that is half tablespoon. So I used this amount of flaxseed. Then I'm also going to be adding chia seed as well. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. So do well to subscribe to the channel and share your beautiful comments. So I'm going to be adding avocado inside this recipe and almond oil and Jamaica black castor oil. Okay, so this is a very moisturizing deep condition that is going to pop out your coils. Like, let's say for example you have 4A or you have 3B or you have any hair texture, your coils is going to be popping after using this. So I allowed this my flaxseed and chia seed to boil for a while. Then we're going to be transferring this in my blender because I'm going to be blending everything. All right, so please watch the video to the end, and I'm also going to be giving you guys the benefits of this unique ingredient I'm using. So I added 1 tablespoon of the almond oil and I also added 1 tablespoon of the Jamaica black castor oil as well. After adding everything together, you need to blend it to a very smooth paste. Okay, it has to be very smooth. Then after this, we are going to strain this recipe. So I need a clean bowl and I'm going to be double straining, so which is using my wig cap and also using my cheesecloth as well, because I don't want any chaff to be in this deep condition. Done straining and look at the chaff. Okay, I don't need this chaff. You don't need this chaff running down your head, so I'll put this aside. Then I'm going to transfer this in my application bottle because I've already added everything, so there's no need of adding more oils. Again, the oil is already inside the recipe. Okay, so I'm just going to be transferring this in my application bottle, and I'll use it to apply on my daughter's hair. So this is what we have. Is super green, okay, because of the avocado. So this is my daughter's hair right here. Okay, I've washed her hair, so I want to deep condition her hair. Yeah, besties, so I hope you enjoyed this video with us. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share and comment. So I'm going to be listing down the benefits of chia seed. So the benefit of flax seed helps in promoting your hair growth, okay, quicker, longer, and it helps in nourishing your hair from the root. Okay, it has vitamin E inside. Flaxseed nourishes your scalp while reducing free fragrance damage. Like if you have a damaged hair, use flaxseed on your hair. It promotes hair development and slow hair breakage by providing flow to your scalp. So flaxseed has unique benefit for hair growth, and I've done like a 2 months challenge using flaxseed, and it really helped my hair. So I'm using this on my daughter's hair, this ingredient on my daughter's hair. I didn't use all of them, so the remaining one I'm going to be using it on my hair, and you guys will see what it looks like when I apply this on my hair in another video. So I'm just going to use this, apply it on her hair, detangle, and yeah, if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. I really appreciate. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share and comment. So the benefit of chia seed is rich in nourishment that helps you to strengthen your hair strand. Okay, it provides hydration to your hair, it reduces inflammation, and it protects, like it promotes healthy hair growth. Okay, so it has omega-3 fatty acid inside, it has vitamins and minerals, you know, it has protein too inside. Okay, so chia seed is really good for scalp health. It reduces hair fall, it promotes hair texture, it reduces breakage. Okay, so chia seed is really good. This is my first time using chia seed on her hair, and her hair did amazing by accepting the chia seed. You know, sometimes some hair does not really accept some products you put on the hair, but after I applied this on her hair, oh my goodness, her hair was just giving. This is so moisturizing. If you are suffering from damaged hair, like dry hair, try this. Your hair is going to love it. So she's trying to apply it on her hair herself. Avocado helps in hair growth, it nourishes your scalp and hair, it reduces breakage, it promotes healthy environment for your hair to grow. Okay, so avocado stimulates hair follicles, it makes your hair more resistant to breakage, and it keeps your scalp healthy. Okay, avocado has essential nourishment like biotin, and it helps in taking care of your hair. Okay, so healthy scalp, you get it. Biotin is inside avocado. It has healthy fats. Okay, when you eat the avocado anyway. So avocado is really good for hair growth. So loves, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Mixing these 3 ingredients is really beneficial for hair growth. Okay, so I'm just applying it on her hair and detangling her hair, and it was super easy to detangle her hair. Okay, you know, her hair is really coily, so it's really easy to use this recipe. Okay, even if you have fussy hair, you can use it, because I used this on my braids and in my hair felt so amazing, which I'll share it in another video with you. Or just in case you don't have my daughter's hair texture, if you have fussy hair, you can also use this particular recipe. I'm all done applying this on her hair, and this is what the coils is giving. I did not use all of this deep condition, as I said earlier on. Okay, so this is what the coil is giving. I'm just using my hand to run through her hair, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I have washed it. I allowed this to sit on her hair for like 1 hour. Okay, after 1 hour you rinse it out, and you don't really need to add extra conditioner, okay, after using this. So this is what her hair looks like after 1 hour. All right, it's super moisturized. It's super moisturized, guys. Okay, her hair really, the coils were just giving. Okay, I rinsed this out. I did not use any other condition on her hair. Okay, so after rinsing this out, I let her hair to sit and air dry. And guys, this is the next thing that happened after I've rinsed her hair. Okay, I just leave her hair to air dry. This is the coils is giving. Like, the coils was so defined. Okay, like I just love this. I love using DIY on her hair because her hair accepts it. All right, she's just being playful, and anytime we have wash day, it takes me like 3 hours to do her wash day routine. Okay, because I always love to take time in doing her hair, because I don't want her hair to be cutting. I want her hair to grow more. So I'll show you guys the next day. Okay, after this deep condition on her hair, her coils was still popping, so I was telling her to shake her hair, and just giving you guys a closer version of the hair. So this is the next day. All coils are still there. Okay, her hair was still moisturized and so soft. Her hair was so soft after using this deep condition. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.